Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today video is about rose water. Yes, and I also have some friends, two friends, Candy Love and Annabella, that I'm going to leave their link at the description. So make sure you check them out. They are also doing this rose water as well. And if you haven't seen my rose oil, make sure you check out the description as well to watch how to make your rose oil. So this video is to show you how to preserve your rose or make them stay longer. Valentine is fast approaching, and there will be a lot of gifts, rose gifts around. So instead of you throwing that expensive rose away, this is how you can make your rose stay longer. At least you can use them for other things. Yeah. So this DIY is great one. You can use the rose water for your hair. You can use it to refresh your makeup. You can use it to refresh your face, especially during summer. Yeah. So all you need for this is the organic rose and water. I use 2% salted water, bottled water, because my tap water is a bit more salted. So if your tap water is okay, use your tap water. But if it's too salted, make sure you use a bottled water for this. So yeah, all you need to do is to wash your rose and break them. Add them into a jar and boil a hot water. Like you see here, I'm adding the hot water into the rose. And after adding the hot water, stir them. Make sure the water is boiled. Stir them just like this. And yeah, allow them to stay in the hot water for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you sieve them out. And here you have your rose water. For me, I went ahead to add essential oil inside my own. I added lavender oil. This is optional. You can choose to add and you can choose to skip this step. I love it. This is why I added on my own. So I use it on my hair and I use it on my face. I use it to refresh my makeup and I use it as on my face, just like that, just to refresh my face. Yeah, so that is all for this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click the link at the description and check my friends out. Tell them I sent you to their channel, and make sure you subscribe. Happy Valentine's Day, and thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Make sure you check the rose oil at the description out as well. God bless you all, and bye.